Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did these jumbo Senegalese at home on my natural hair. It's a really easy protective style and it only took me a total of like 3 hours, which isn't too bad because that includes washing, blow drying, sectioning, which is literally the longest part for me, and then installing, which is my second hardest part because getting the roots nice and like secure was difficult for me because this is only my second time doing this style. But if you guys want to see how I did this with just some Kanekalon hair, some edge control, and some grease, then keep watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've already done 4 Senegalese twists on my hair. I have the remaining sections of my hair to do. But first I'm going to show you the hair that I'm using. So I'm going to be using this jumbo Kanekalon like braiding hair. You can get it from the beauty supply store. I got it for $1.99, not too expensive. I'm also using Murray's Edge Wax to get it nice and smooth, and then just for some like softness and moisture because my hair is very soft, so I like to give it something like to like condition it and stuff like that. I'm using the Blue Magic like grease, you know, when you were a kid and your mom used to braid your hair and grease your scalp, using that. So I'm starting off with blow dried hair. So last night, to save time, I blow dried my hair and then I sectioned it into braids. So I sectioned it into the sections that I want to do, so then today I don't have to do anything except for take it out, put my product in, boom boom boom, twist it up, and then I'm done. So I'm gonna section my hair off camera, stretch it, and then I'll come back and show you how I installed the first one, or not the first one, but you know, install the next one. So first I start out by taking out the section, obviously, because you can't twist it if it's in a braid. Then using my Murray's Edge Wax, I smooth down the sides. Once I have it smooth, I like to take my Blue Magic and just put it throughout the hair to just soften it up and really make sure I have some product in it so that it blends and it doesn't break off. I'm trying to grow my hair, so obviously. Okay, now that the hair is prepped, I'm gonna split it into 2 and clip the bottom, like I have a clip, I'm gonna clip the bottom section out of my way so I don't accidentally pull it while I begin with the first section. So I have my section split perfectly in half. And I'm gonna take it, like I grab this side firmly and then I just lay it down where I'm trying to twist, and then I just start to wrap and pull, wrap, pull, and I do that until it's secure. And once you wrapped it a couple times, it should look like this. Okay, now that I've got this part done, this is the hardest part for me, getting the second piece in. So still holding this, I take down the clip so that the other half of the section falls out, and then I blend that together. And holding the top section, I repeat the same thing by twisting. It's just hard to hold it all. Twist, twist, and once you've got both sections twisted, you twist them around each other. And then you just keep twisting. And then you have like the root of your twist. This one's not as good because I have a messed up piece right here, but I'm just gonna keep it, honestly. So you just keep twisting, making sure you like comb to keep it nice and seamless. And then you're just gonna twist all the way down. Once you get to the end, I twist down all the way to the end. I don't know if you can see this anymore, but I twist all the way down to the end, and then using a perm rod that I got at the beauty supply for $1, you wrap it around the end, and then I'm gonna dip all my twists in hot water at the end to secure it. So there's your twist, and then it'll start to loosen up a little bit, but you just want to make sure you have it in there secure. Like I'm pulling it, it's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna keep doing that, and I'll just show you like a time lapse, and I'll probably explain another one. So I'll probably do these two, and then I'll come back and then explain it one more time on this section, and then I'll show you the final result. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished. I have 12 jumbo twists on my head. I think they're really cute, but I want to dip them in water and then secure the ends and then take out the perm rods and then see what it really looks like. But I'm going to do my edges real quick, and then I'm going to dip it, and then I'm going to come back and show you the final result. Hopefully it looks good, because I think it looks good right now, so we'll see. But I'm going to do my edges real quick. Okay, so my edges are done. I'm going to go dip, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and this is actually day 2 because I recorded this intro and outro, but then I guess it didn't record, so then I had to do it again the next day, but I didn't realize I didn't record it until that night. Long story short, this is day 2. It's a little fuzzy. I think next time I'm definitely gonna put I think next time I'm definitely gonna put product in the hair so it stays more tight and more like a twist instead of getting fuzzy. I mean, the boho look is cute, but I don't know how much longer I'll keep it in, maybe a week. But if you guys like this style and you want to see more styles from me, if you have any suggestions for videos, definitely leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!